Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out the 5 best gaming desktop computer. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Texu Mini PC. Specifications. Brand name, Texu. Memory capacity, 8GB. Hard drive capacity, 500GB. Model number, Q3. Processor model, N3540. Use, multimedia. Processor main frequency, 2.2 GHz. Graphics card type, integrated card. Certification, CE. Processor brand, Intel. Type, Mini PC. Number 4 on our list is Mini PC i7-1165G7. Specifications. Brand name, Carbida. Processor model, i7-1165G7. Memory capacity, 16 GB. Hard drive capacity, 1 TB. Type, Mini Desktop. Model number, i7-1165G7. Processor main frequency, 2.8 GHz. Processor brand, Intel. Graphics card type, integrated card. Processor main frequency, 2.8 GHz. Size, 133 x 124 48mm. Case material, metal. RAM, 4G, 8G, 16G, 32G.64G. Color, black. Weight, 600 grams. Type-C function, Thunderbolt 4. Graphic cards, Intel Iris C graphics. Number 3 on our list is AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX. Specifications. Brand name, B-Link. Memory capacity, 32 GB. Hard drive capacity, 500 GB. Model number, B-Link GTR5R9. Processor model, AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX. Use, household. Type, Mini Desktop. Graphics card type, integrated card. Certification, CE. Processor brand, AMD. Type, Mini PC. Support, 2x2.5 GRJ45, Wi-Fi 6E, BT 5.0. OS, Windows 11. 32GB 500GB or 64GB 1TB, RAM/ROM. Number 2 on our list is S5 Gaming Computer. Specifications. Brand name, iPazen. Hard drive capacity, 240G. Memory capacity, 4 GB. Model number, iPazen S5 261050T. Port, TP. Weight, 10 kg. Graphics card chipset, NVIDIA others. Memory capacity, 8 GB. HDD rotation speed, SSD. Processor model number, AMD Ryzen 5 2600. Drive type, no CD-ROM. RAM type, DDR4. Video memory type, GDDR5. Max boost speed, 3.9 GHz. Graphics card type, dedicated card. Processor main frequency, 3.4 GHz. Processor core, hexa-core.
Number 1 on our list is Texu Mini PC Computer.
Specifications. Brand name, Texu. Memory capacity, 8 GB. Hard drive capacity, 500 GB. Model number, D3. Processor model, Intel Core i7-10750H. Use, household. Processor main frequency, 2.6 GHz. Graphics card type, integrated card. Processor brand, Intel. Type, mini PC.